Welcome to Learning HubX Maths. Here's a question for you. Did you know that not all numbers are the same? Some numbers can be counted. Some numbers go negative. And some numbers never end. In this lesson, we're going to explore the different types of numbers and see how they all fit together on the number line. Once you understand this, maths suddenly makes a lot more sense. Let's start with the simplest one, natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers we use to count things. 1 apple, 2 books, 3 friends. Natural numbers start at 1 and go on forever. Now, let's add one important number, 0. When we include 0 with natural numbers, we get whole numbers. Whole numbers are all the natural numbers, plus 0. But what if we go below 0? Think about cold temperatures or diving below sea level. These numbers are called integers. Integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. Now let's talk about fractions and decimals. Any number that can be written as a fraction is called a rational number. Even decimals that stop or repeat are rational. For example, 0.5, 0.333, and 1.75. But some numbers cannot be written as fractions. Their decimals never stop and never repeat. These are called irrational numbers. They go on forever with no pattern. Now here's the big picture. All the numbers we've talked about, rational and irrational, belong to one group. They are called real numbers. Every point on the number line is a real number. If you can place it somewhere on the number line, it's real. Here is how all the types of numbers fit together. Let's look at 0. 0 is a whole number. It's also an integer, a rational number, and a real number. The number 3 is a natural number because we use it to count. It is also a whole number. It is an integer. It is a rational number because we can write it as a fraction. Because of all of that, it is also a real number. 1/4 is a fraction. That makes it a rational number. And all rational numbers are real numbers. Pi is a special number. Its decimal never ends. That makes pi an irrational number, and it is also a real number. -2 is an integer. It is a rational number because it can be written as -2 over 1. And because all rational numbers are real numbers, -2 is also a real number. Next, we will talk about the number line. A number line is a straight line that shows numbers in order. Every point on the line represents a number. 0 sits in the middle. As we move to the right, the numbers get bigger. These are positive numbers. As we move to the left, the numbers get smaller. These are negative numbers. 0 is the starting point. It separates positive numbers and negative numbers. The number line doesn't only show whole numbers. Fractions, decimals, and irrational numbers also fit on the number line. If you can place it somewhere on the number line, it is a real number. To summarize, natural numbers are for counting. Whole numbers include 0. Integers go negative. Rational numbers are fractions. Irrational numbers never end. And together they form the real number system. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'll see you in the next lesson.